Living on low income in Nigeria can feel like a constant hustle between high food prices, utility bills, transport fare, and contributions. How do you even save? But what if I told you there is a way to take control, even on a small budget? Let's talk about how you can start saving money no matter how little you earn. Hey lovely people, welcome or welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel, we'll talk about personal finance and we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started, shall we? Without wasting much time, let's look at the first thing we need to do if we want to save effectively. Tip number 1. Track every naira. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. For 1 month, track every single expense, from the gala and Coca-Cola you buy on the road, to airtime, to data, to contributions. You might be shocked to see how much you spend on small things. Use a notebook, a note app, or even free budgeting apps, whatever works for you. Tip number 2. Create a simple budget. Next, give your money a job. Even if you earn 50k or 100k, create a simple budget. Divide it into needs, wants, and savings. A good rule is the 50-30-20 rule. But if you're on a very tight income, try 70-20-10. That is 70% for essentials, 20% for flexible needs, and 10% for savings. The key is to be intentional, not perfect. Tip number 3. Cut hidden costs. Cutting costs doesn't mean suffering. It means being smart. Buy foodstuff in bulk if possible, things like rice or beans. Use a shared Netflix or skip it entirely. Reduce impulse buying, especially on Instagram, and always ask, do I really need this, or can I get a cheaper alternative? Tip number 4. Use the power of daily micro saving. You don't need to wait till the end of the month to save. Start saving small amounts daily. Use apps like Piggyvest or Cowrywise to auto save 200 naira or 500 naira a day. In 3 months, you will be shocked how much you've stashed. The consistency matters more than the amount. Tip number 5. Learn to say no. This one is hard but necessary. You must learn to say no to unnecessary outings, to constant borrowing requests, even to your own temptations. Saving on a low income requires discipline. Remember, you can't help others if you are always broke. And here's a bonus tip for you. Start a small side hustle or job. Saving becomes easier when there's a little extra coming in. Think of small side hustles like selling thrift clothes, offering laundry services, baking, or doing social media gigs. Even 10k extra per month can make a big difference if you plan it well. Saving money on a low income isn't easy, but it's possible. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, your money will begin to work for you. If you want to see more videos on how to handle money as Nigerians, comment Nigeria in the comment section below. And if you are interested in knowing about the mistakes you should avoid when you want to save, check out this video. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, saving is about consistency and intentionality, not perfection.